Hello, everyone. Here we are doing this question. Find the inverse of the function, y equals the product of sine x, and the absolute value of sine x. This equation is valid when the absolute value of x is less than or equal to pi divided by 2. For this problem, we need to classify and discuss x's values, right? So as to remove the absolute value symbol. The first case, when 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to pi divided by 2, sine x greater than or equal 0. So the absolute value of sine x is equal to sine x. Therefore, y equals sine squared x, which implies that sine x is equal to the square root of y, where y ranges from 0 to 1. Consequently, x is equal to the arcsine of the square root of y, with y ranging from 0 to 1. The second case, when negative pi divided by 2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 0, sine x less than or equal 0. So the absolute value of sine x is equal to negative sine x. Therefore, y equals negative sine squared x, which implies that sine x is equal to negative square root of negative y. Consequently, x is equal to the arcsine of negative square root of negative y, which can also be written as negative arcsine of square root of negative y, with y ranging from I1 to 0. In summary, the required inverse function is described as follows. Y is equal to arcsine of the square root of x when x is between 0 and 1. On the other hand, when x is between negative 1 and 0, y is equal to negative arcsine of the square root of negative x. This is the solution to this question.